think he deserved his punishment. Don't you? Once, an engine attached to spoil my lovely green paint and red stripe, spoil my lovely red paint and green stripes, spoil my lovely green paint and pull you out. We will push you out, pull you out. I'm not going to. We will pull you out and pushed and pushed and pushed. The Fat Controller said, 1, 2, 1, pushed and pushed and pushed. 2.
The engine's name is Henry.
Lovely green paint with Thomas pushed the Fat Controller. Lovely red stripes till he fell off.
I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on.